Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CDTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move here, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had by far in quite a while. So let's first start by mapping out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the ideal level of support going forward, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay up above $2. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength on the bulls' part. Taking a step back, though, and looking at the big picture of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're someone that's sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just care about the big picture move, this right here being defined as the move. I just want to know how do I gauge the strength or lack thereof of that move. And again, that's where the purple line comes into play. As that purple line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health, full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, definitely want to see it stay above $2. But as long as it's up above that purple line, then the trend is fully in the bulls' control. What about areas of resistance? I think the best way to really approach it is just to kind of create the resistance zone that has seemed to be formed. So the initial part of the zone right there at $2.19, and then the price would technically clear the zone with a break of $2.25. So from $2.19 up to $2.25. Now, if you just want to call it $2.25, I'm not going to argue against that, but $2.19 from this afternoon has clearly made itself known as a level of resistance there. So me personally, I'm just going to call it resistance zone from $2.19 up to $2.25. But like I said, any way you slice it, absolutely huge, powerful move today. And as long as the price starts building higher bases, this chart will take care of itself, and that's what you want to see. So great move. We'll see how this all unfolds next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.